If you're looking for the ultimate snow blowing machine for a reasonable cost and you got a little bit of room in your garage for a tractor like this is going to do the project for you. This is a Simplicity Sovereign. They made these in the late 80s, early 90s. It's got a 42-inch snow thrower on the front. Got power steering, hydraulic drive, hydraulic lift, and down pressure on the snowblower. I'm going to go over the features of the tractor. I'm going to show you how easy it is to snowblow with it, and by the end of the video you'll be able to decide if this is a tractor snowblower setup for you. Now we have 18 horsepower motor to turn this big snow thrower. This is only a single stage snow thrower, but don't let that fool you. It's going to throw that snow a long ways. Now I've got hard, icy, crusty snow to blow with today. It's not powder. I have driven on it a couple times because I haven't had time to blow it off. So you're going to see about 8 inches of snow, hard, crusty, how this is going to clean it off. I'm going to take you to the other side and show you the spring bar that actually puts the down pressure on this snow thrower. Now if you look right here, this bar is connected to the snow thrower, and it's also connected to a lever right here that's actuated by the hydraulic lever. Now with this spring on here, that actually allows you to put down pressure. So if you ever use a tractor similar to this with a snow thrower on the front, sometimes the snow thrower kind of rides up on the snow a little bit. Not going to happen with this one. I'm going to start snow throwing, and we'll talk about this tractor a little later on in the video. I'm just going to pan across the driveway so you guys can see how clean it does remove the snow. In a couple spots you can see the blacktop. Now there are shoes on the snow thrower which prevent it from scraping right on the blacktop, so it is maybe about an 1/8 inch above. In conclusion, if you live in the upper Midwest, northern Illinois, northern Wisconsin, Minnesota, where you consistently get 6 inches of snowfall, and you may have a pretty long driveway and you don't want to spend an hour with a traditional snowblower, you can get something like this, clean off a driveway in about 20 minutes. You need a little extra space in your garage. Cost for something like this, I've seen them on Facebook Marketplace for $1,500 to $2,000. Now just keep your eyes open. These are a little bit hard to find, and when they do come up for sale, they're usually snatched up pretty quick. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something from it, and thanks for watching.